I'm making this video today to walk students at BRCC through how to access comments in Canvas on assignments such as essays. Here you'll see that my view is the student view rather than the faculty view of the Canvas platform. Your view might look a little bit different if you access it from your home, but it will generally look the same. So here's the home page. In order to access comments that I leave for you on any assignments deliverable, you'll want to first go to the navigation at the left pane of your screen and find the grades hyperlink. When you click on grades, you'll see here all of the assignments that have been graded in the class. Now on your end, under the status section, hopefully you don't have any icons that say missing. By this point in the term, most of your assignments will have been submitted. So you won't see this. Instead, what you'll see here is a grade. I'm going to go ahead and navigate to Essay 1, Literacy Narrative, where I pretended to be a student and submitted an essay. You can see that this essay has received an arbitrary 82 points out of 100 points. So you'll be able to see your points here, your scores. In order to access comments, go ahead and click on the blue hyperlink for the deliverable. That will lead you to the submission page and also to the comments. Now, we're less concerned here with the submission. We're more concerned with the comments. Over in the right pane, you'll see here I have left an overview of a summative comment. So you're going to receive two kinds of comments on your major deliverables, your essays. A summative comment will be right in the comment area of your grading page. A summative comment provides a general overview of how your submission met the rubric criteria. So this is going to be very general in nature. However, also part of the commenting scheme is an in-text or marginal commenting. And this you can access by scrolling down to the end of the summative comment and finding a blue hyperlink that includes a Word file. In this file, you'll see all of the specific commenting that relates to your essay. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the summative at the end of the summative comment and click on the comments I included for this imaginary student. You'll see that when I click on the hyperlink, a download file opens on my computer. Now, if you don't own a copy of Microsoft Word, that cannot prevent you from reading my comments. In the syllabus, I include a hyperlink to something called Microsoft Word Reader. This program will allow students to access and see any document in Microsoft Word for free. It's actually a program published by Microsoft itself. So if you don't have Microsoft Word, no worries, download Microsoft Word Reader and you'll be able to open this file. So go ahead and open the file by clicking on it. And you'll see here a former student's paper from one of my previous classes that I taught in 2011, used with permission of the student. And here you will see that there are marginal comments and textual comments on the manuscript. In order to access what the marginal comment relates to, simply click on the comment and it will highlight for you in the text the area that the marginal comment refers to. So any confusion can be cleared up in that way. Sometimes on a student draft, I will also leave textual comments in text. And this is a way to signal how a student could rewrite certain sentences or aspects of the essay. Now, this essay originally received an A, but you'll notice that there are a lot of comments. So I like to be very liberal with my commenting as a way to help students become better writers. Having a lot of comments on your essay does not mean that you're a poor writer or that your essay is bad. What it does mean is that there are opportunities to strengthen your writing that I hope will be welcomed by you. My commenting can be a little bit overwhelming sometimes because I do like to take a lot of time to engage with your essay. I see that as a good thing. However, some students might interpret this as that they're not good enough of a writer or that a lot needs to be changed or addressed in your writing. And that is actually true in terms of that a lot of things probably need to be addressed. In my own writing, a lot of things continue to need to be addressed, and also in writing of any established academic is constantly going through and seeing ways that she can improve her writing. So this is something that professionals continually do as well as novices. So take it with a grain of salt and know that commenting is designed as a way to guide you and help you and highlight areas that are strong and areas that need attention. So go through and please read all of the comments that I leave for you, as I expect that students will synthesize what they learn in each deliverable in order to improve their next deliverable.